In Australia, each year, over 300,000 babies are born. Each of those babies will go through around 8,000 nappies in the first 2.5 years of life until they are toilet trained. That's a whole lot of nappies being disposed every day and a big environmental problem. The environmental effects of disposable nappies are great and fall into 3 main categories. Firstly, in the manufacturing process, large amounts of energy is wasted and pollution is created. When we compare the production process of disposable nappies to cloth nappies, we see a large environmental difference. Disposable nappies use 2 times more water, 3 times more energy, and 30 times more raw materials. Besides, for that 1 cup of oil goes into manufacturing each nappy. Over 50 chemicals are used, some of which could be harmful to the baby. And 250,000 trees are cut down each year in the process. Our environment is clearly suffering. In Australia, 5.6 million nappies are used and discarded every day, which translates into billions of nappies going to landfill sites every year and causes notable amounts of carbon emission. These nappies could take up to 500 years to decompose. The waste from disposable nappies contributes to contamination issues because the contents are disposed of into the rubbish, unlike adults' waste, which is flushed down the toilet. The waste from nappies isn't treated, and certain bacteria and viruses are at risk of soaking into the groundwater and causing contamination issues. The chemicals contained in nappies can be dangerous and pose health risks to the babies wearing them. The chemicals that are used to make nappies super absorbent and convenient for parents can actually be harmful. They can cause rashes and, more seriously, skin irritation, fever, vomiting, and infections. The chemicals reduce the air circulation and pull the natural moisture out of baby's skin. Dioxin, which is used in most nappies, is listed as the most toxic of all cancer-linked chemicals. A solution seems almost unattainable and elusive, but we have to remember that it lies in each of our hands. Every person's small action adds up to make a global difference. A hygiene recycling company, Relive It, plans to process 30,000 tons of absorbent hygiene waste each year and extract materials for recycling, which will significantly reduce the nappy impact and lessen the need for disposable nappies to end up on landfill sites. Secondly, to avoid contamination, a simple solution is to empty out the nappy as much as possible into the toilet before disposing of it. Thirdly, some parents choose to not diaper their children at all and train their children from birth to use a toilet. Fourthly, cloth nappies are more environmentally friendly. If they are washed and dried efficiently, they can reduce the environmental impact by up to 40%. Lastly, parents can give their babies an hour or 2 of nappy-free time every day that could help reduce some health risks and mean 1 less nappy used every day. So, whether it's your own baby or grandchild's, niece, nephew, cousin, neighbor, or friend, you can help make a difference. It can start in your own home or by making others more aware, or even if you have no contact with babies, just being more environmentally conscious. Together, everyone's small step can make the world a better place.